Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Shopify store not going live when your password page is still showing on the internet. This is the perfect fix if you've already clicked the button to launch your shop, but your customers are still seeing a locked screen asking for a secret passcode instead of seeing your beautiful store products. Step 1. Open your main merchant dashboard and find your online store tab. The first step is to open your regular internet browser window, log straight into your central store administrator account portal, and locate your visual sales channel panel. Move your hand to your mouse tool, look at the long left-hand sidebar menu options on your monitor screen, scroll down past your order lists, click on the text row labeled Online Store, and wait for the drop-down items to unfold. Look directly at the new text selections that pop forward flat against your background view and click on the item named Preferences to open your master setup sheet. Because your storefront configuration rules are buried deep inside your backroom options, if you just edit your front page themes or modify your product item boxes, the background lock screen will remain completely untouched. Opening this specific preferences directory pulls the hidden gate settings out of your backend memory slots so they are ready to be changed. Step 2. Choose and activate an approved subscription plan. The second step is to make sure your merchant profile has a valid, active payment plan tied to your store account, so the system allows you to open your digital doors. If you see a warning bar on your screen canvas rows, click the button that says Pick a Plan, select a basic monthly option from the listed rows, and type your billing details into the empty text boxes. Confirm that your account status changes to a live paid tier on your monitor screen view and that your payment card is successfully linked to your profile page. Because the platform sets a hard lock on all fresh accounts during their initial trial windows, even if you turn off every security switch in your folders, the software engine will automatically force the passcode screen to stay up until you select an approved subscription tier. Doing this satisfies the core system rule, so your launch commands can actually work. Step 3. Uncheck the password protection box and delete the passcode text. Move your mouse marker down to the middle section of your preference sheet to find the row labeled Restrict Store Access. Click your left mouse button to uncheck the box next to Enable Password and erase any letters typed inside the text box row. Move your hand to the top right corner of your display layout and click the bright green button labeled Save to commit your layout modifications to the hard drive. Because this specific checkbox is the literal master switch holding back your public web traffic. By unchecking the box and cleaning out the password field, you tell the central servers to drop the digital wall. Saving this adjustment updates your global profile instantly, allowing regular browsers to bypass the old gate. And that's it. To fix Shopify store not going live and password page still showing, you first open your merchant dashboard and click on your online store preferences tab on your screen. Next, you move your mouse to the subscription menu to pick an active account plan to unlock your master platform features on your screen canvas rows. Then, you scroll down to the restriction box to uncheck the Enable Password setting and save your changes to drop the digital wall. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.